Real police body cam ahead, shared for educational and documentary use under fair use. In this video, officers face a shocking sight. A 12-year-old behind the wheel. It began when police noticed a car driving erratically on the road. What they didn't expect, the driver was barely old enough to be in middle school. Officers initiated a pursuit, lights flashing, sirens on. The boy kept driving, desperate to escape despite being so young.
Hey, they just hopped into the hotel parking lot.
989, so please go in the wrong way on the Del Rey exit behind the movie theater. Hey, nice. So still going the wrong way, coming up to the, he just head-on collision right here at the 25 exit behind Sam's. He's going the wrong way on the Del Rey exit behind the movie theater.
The chase ended when the boy lost control and crashed the car. Fortunately, there were no serious injuries, but the danger was real.
The 25 exit behind Sam's.
Wake up the doors at 45.
Nobody.
Wake up the doors at 45.
Get out of the fucking car! The fuck out! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get the fuck out there! Get down!
Police removed him from the wreck, placed him in handcuffs, and put him into the back of the patrol car. It's a shocking scene. A child in cuffs, treated like any other suspect.
Give a shit. Stay down. Stay down.
My knees, I'm not gonna do anything, sir, I swear. My knees are hurting, sir, my knees. My knees, I'm sorry, sir, my knees. I was forced. I didn't mean to, I was forced.
Let me check him quick.
They had a gun, I'm telling you. They had a gun.
Chest and say. 11, 6,
They had
sit
a
down.
gun. They had a
Sit
gun.
down.
They had
We'll
a
talk right now.
Okay, can you take my mask off, please? They had a gun in my head, sir.
Who are you?
Huh?
Is that right?
What drives a 12-year-old to run from police? And what should happen next? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more real body cam stories and true crime moments.
Double unit.
The kid was, he was going the wrong way, so we're trying to stop him before this happened. He's a kid. He's 12 years old. Oh, shit. Yeah.
Direct.
I'm at way to Bodycam. Did you still have people out there? Hotel 11, 1236, blocked off to the hotel by the IHOP off of the Del Rey exit. 743, 1322, I'll roll it up.